I want to say good morning so bad, but it's not morning. It's night. So good evening. Welcome back to my channel, That's So Blessing. Today we are talking skincare. So I don't know if you saw my how I cleared my skin video, but I do have very acne prone skin, but I do keep it under control. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on. Basically, the acne.org started to irritate my skin. I ruined, well, I'm pretty confident that I ruined my skin barrier, or especially around my eyes. I feel like the skin around my eyelids is more wrinkled and puffy than it was before. I am getting older. I have been using the acne.org for, has it been like 7 years? I've been using it for quite some time. So I know I am getting older, but I don't think my eyelids look like this due to aging. I think it's due to the irritation from the benzoyl peroxide in the acne.org regimen. So I'm not even able to use the acne.org regimen daily like I want because it's so irritating. Like, I got to the point where I wouldn't even put the benzoyl peroxide on. I would just put my moisturizer on and my eyelids would be burning. So I think that's like a clear indication that the skin barrier, at least around my eyes, has been compromised. I do also have like more texture in my skin that I would like. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I know texture is normal, but I don't care for it, and I know I could have less texture than this. I'm even you can see like some little bumps right through here because the benzoyl peroxide was so irritating. I was literally putting it on my forehead and then just going like this because I was trying to stay really far away from my eyes, but still didn't work somehow, some way. When I would do my moisture, I would somehow still like spread it onto my eyelids, even though I'd be very careful. Or I know I'm rapping, but I feel like this is all relevant information. So I picked up this Cerave Acne foaming cream cleanser. It does have the same active ingredient, benzoyl peroxide, but it does have it in a higher percentage, which may be irritating, but it may also be okay because this is in the form of a wash, and in the acne.org treatment, it's in the form of an ointment that you leave on your skin. So this is going to be my first time using it. Oh, I also changed my moisturizer. I'm changing my moisturizer to this Cerave healing ointment because this is supposed to protect and soothe your skin, and it's also supposed to help repair your skin barrier. It has ceramides and other things in it that are supposed to be helpful as far as repairing your skin barrier. So yeah, I'll let you know what I think. So I feel like this is something I definitely want to be able to keep up with. It's super silky. You only need a little bit. It feels very soothing. I just wiped off with a paper towel, and now I'm going to go in with the CeraVe healing ointment. You only need a little bit. It says non-greasy, but it's definitely one of those things where your face is going to be shiny if you use too much. Like, it doesn't feel greasy, but it definitely gives you, I don't know how to explain it. Oh, this feels really good. Oh, this feels really good. I can get with this. Oh my gosh. This feels so soothing. Okay. Okay, yeah. So I'll be back in 4 weeks. Notice I said 4 weeks and not 4 days because it takes your skin 28 days, approximately 28 days to repair itself and create new cells, whatever. I'll be back in 4 weeks and I'll let you know how everything is going, my final thoughts, all that. Hi guys, today is December the 6th. I know I said I was going to give y'all a 2-week update, but I lied. But I didn't mean to lie. I promise I did not mean to lie. I really did mean to come back in 2 weeks, but to be completely honest with you, not only was life kicking my butt, it's been a lot going on these past few weeks. So not only was life kicking my butt, my face was not looking good, and I didn't want to get on camera. I was self-conscious about my skin because I was breaking out. Basically, it wasn't working. But what was it? What's the name of it? The CeraVe wasn't working. So like, I don't know if you can see, but these are all, sorry, let me put my phone on vibrate so y'all can stay focused because I need y'all to pay attention. Oh, and the lighting's a little different this time because I don't have my ring light, but it might work out better because I feel like you can see my blemishes better. But basically, this dark spot, this dark spot right here it took forever to go away. Like, all of these things, all these little breakouts took forever to go away. This one especially was here for maybe like 3 weeks. I'm going to insert a clip of me complaining about it. This one here was here for a few weeks as well, because I think it's been in total about 6 weeks. And I realized that I remembered that I have I don't want to say problem, but I pick at my skin only if I'm able to pick out my skin. With the acne.org, I'm not able to pick at my skin because it dries out the pimples so much that like when you squeeze, nothing comes out, so you just don't squeeze anymore. With the CeraVe, it doesn't dry your skin out at all. It feels very silky and smooth. It feels very soothing, but it's also so gentle that it's not as effective for me. I think this would probably be good for someone who does not have really bad acne. My acne can get really bad. I have a lot of marks on my face right now. These are all breakouts that I had that the CeraVe didn't clear up in a timely fashion. Like with the acne.org, for sure, these would have gone away faster. Like this one isn't even completely flat. Like it's not even completely healed just yet. And it's been weeks. The acne.org may have even fixed it overnight or like within a few days, but I know for sure it would not have taken as long as it has with the CeraVe. So I will not be continuing use with this product. I probably will go back to the acne.org for a few weeks just to kind of clear my skin up a little bit and give myself a clean slate for the next product that I try, because if my skin gets worse than this, I might cry. Like, this is bad to me. And I know some people are probably looking and it's like it's not even that deep. I don't know what it is, but this makes me self-conscious, and yeah, I can't deal. So I'm probably going to go back to acne.org for a little bit. But aside from that, I said that I was going to use the ointment, the CeraVe healing ointment. I said I was going to use that instead of a moisturizer, but then I realized that it's supposed to go on top of your moisturizer. So I have been using that as a finisher, I guess. I feel really good. My skin feels really good. It's not drying at all, but it's not moisturizing or heavy enough to use as your moisturizer, but it's great to use on top. It just feels really nice. I did mention earlier that my eyes were like dry and I felt like I ruined my skin barrier. That is no longer the case. My eyes feel a lot better. So I think I still want to keep going on this search for, you know, something to replace my acne.org. I think that something like a wash would be better. I'm thinking maybe I need to use something stronger, because this is only 3%, and I'm sure since you're washing your face with it, your skin is absorbing some of it, but there's no way at all that your skin is going to absorb as much in a wash versus something that's a topical that you're going to leave on for the whole day. So I will keep you guys updated. In the meantime, this is a hell no on the CeraVe acne foaming cleanser, whatever it's called. It's a no for me. It's just not potent enough, and I'm using it daily. I'm not using it twice a day. I'm sure that would help, but to be honest, I'm not at the point in my life where I'm going to have the I'm not at the point in my life where I'm gonna be dedicated enough. Like I don't have it in me. I need my life to be really simple. I need my routine to be really simple at this point, so that's a no. But I will keep using the CeraVe healing ointment. I really do like it. Yeah. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in. I'll keep you guys posted on my skincare journey, because I'm going to keep trying things, and I'm determined to find a replacement for acne.org. So